I'm very good at buying cute things which are as cute as me.
हथ बने एडा वड्डा वहम ना पालो.
Hey everyone, my name is Nisha Shetty and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my Amazon haul part 2. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I'm going to link it right here and I'll also put the link in the description box below. Please watch that as well. Let's begin with our next category, which is makeup. I forgot to put on one makeup product. और वो प्रोडक्ट है मेरा नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट. खाली क्यों है डब्बा?
देखो इन्हें ये है ओस की बूंदें.
So today I forgot to put on my mascara and coincidentally my next product is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. So this is the only product जो मैं actually ये haul में use करने वाली हूँ. I have been the biggest fan of Sivana mascaras. You don't find it in India. Thailand में मिलता है. पता नहीं मैं फिर कब Thailand जाऊँगी. I generally stock up on that mascara, but unfortunately I think I've almost finished my last one and hence मैंने सोचा मैं ये वाला try कर लेती हूँ. Let me quickly put this on since I don't have any on. I just realized this is the first time I'm putting makeup on my YouTube video. Let's just ignore. Oh God, क्यों होता है मेरे साथ ऐसा? And also, please ignore my weird face. With all the other generic mascaras, कितने coats लगाने पड़ते हैं? The one that I have, बस एक swipe, एक coat में मस्त में लग जाता था. And I have bought the washable version. I don't like waterproof mascaras क्योंकि उसे निकालने में बहुत टाइम जाता है. And that's how my eyelashes look. I don't know if you can see them. Actually, they're good, but बहुत बार coat करना पड़ता है. Compared to the other ones, the other Maybelline mascaras, I think this is the one that tops them all. Also, इतने बड़े डब्बे में इतना छोटा सा एक mascara. मतलब एक सेकंड के लिए वो इंसान खुश हो जाएगा कि क्या फ्री मिल गया इसके साथ. Anyway, my second makeup product. Yay! I'm very excited to try this on actually. I have purchased something for my eyebrows. ऐसा लगा मस्कारा लग गया ऊपर. Okay, sorry. So this is the Miss Claire eyebrow cake. If you've noticed, I'm blessed with some amazing eyebrows. Thank you. Touch wood, touch wood. I don't have to put much efforts. I have the very basic Miss Claire का जो dark brown pencil आता है उसको मैं भी थोड़ा line कर दूंगी. But this is really nice. People tell me ज़रूरत नहीं थी उतनी इसकी. But then I'll tell you why I bought this. Because you get 4 different shades and I'm going to okay that had to happen. And I think I'm going to use this for my eyebrows, probably a grey and a black, and I can use the rest of them as an eyeshadow. So this is like a multitasking makeup product, eyebrows के लिए plus eyeshadow के लिए भी. So yeah, that's why I bought it. Let's begin with another category which I have termed as home necessities. And this product is, I think, the most favorite product of mine in the haul. ये मैंने पहले भी खरीदा है पर ये पहले टूट गया था. And yes, इसको मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा flaunt off किया है मेरे Insta stories पे. Please follow me on Instagram as well. And when I put stories of this specific product, I received so many DMs asking me, अरे कहाँ से लिया, कहाँ से लिया, कहाँ से लिया, हमें भी लेना है. And believe me, after one point of time, I'm not bragging that मेरे वजह से out of stock हुआ, but after one point of time, वो out of stock हो गया था. And I was very lucky that it was in stock yet again. And the product is, I'm very excited. It is my most favorite mug. I know you must be thinking, why am I so excited about it? But look at this. It is, okay, I don't know if you can see. ये जब मैं भरूंगी ना तब आपको समझेगा. It's a heart-shaped mug. I'm going to add some boomerangs or some Insta stories here. जो मैंने अपलोड किया था, then you'll understand what I'm talking about. It forms a nice heart shape in between. I don't know why, I'm just so close to this mug. It broke, I felt so bad, and तभी मैंने decide किया था मैं फिर से order करूँगी. I think it's just the perfect gift that you can give someone. So do order it before it goes out of stock again. ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे पैसे मिल रहे हैं ये सब करने के, मतलब oh god. And needless to say, this is not a sponsored video. I have bought all these products from my hard earned money. The next product is again another very cute mug, and it says you're amazing just the way you are. This is for my mummy. She has a crack on the mug that she has already, so yeah, this is for her. Next is also one product that I was really looking forward to. This one is again for mummy. This is a very cute, I don't know what you call this, I call it the hand gloves for washing utensils and I don't know what other things. सब छोड़ो, मतलब color देखो, it's so cute. I love the pink color. So yeah, we're gonna try this on. This is for mom because she doesn't let me do anything at home because she has major OCD issues. Thank God. नहीं तो मुझे काम करना पड़ता. I think there was a minimum purchase, which is why I have 2 sets of 2. Very cute. Next is the only one electronic product that I have purchased. It's an HP mouse. So I have never used a mouse with my laptop. I have no clue why, and now since I started editing, I thought let's try editing with a mouse. So I'm going to use this, and I hope it works, and I hope it makes editing much more easier and simpler. Next up is finally one product that I swear by, I absolutely love, and which I keep reordering and ordering and ordering, and it is the Matrix BioLage Fiber Strong Shampoo. And let me just quickly show you the next one also. It is of course the conditioner. So we have with us the Matrix Fiber Strong BioLage conditioner as well. I've been using this specific combination since the past, I think, over 5 years. I try different shampoos बीच में, and I always end up ruining my hair, and eventually मैं फिर इसके पास ही चली जाती हूँ. They work really well for my hair type. Of course, I'm sure you already know, सबके hair type के हिसाब से shampoos और conditioner सबको अलग जमता है. Like I heard good reviews from people who have like amazing hair, thick long hair, to use Sunsilk, some use L'Oreal, some use different ranges of Matrix, but मेरे बालों पे वो नहीं जमता. So which is why I always use this. Not that I have great hair, but जो भी है सब इसके बदौलत है. So those were the only 2 products that I had under my hair care category, which is why probably I did not mention the category. Next up is clothing, and it is a night suit. I don't know why I ordered this from Amazon. I don't think I've ever ordered clothing from Amazon. This is probably my first time. I'm very fond of night suit. Pajama sets मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Even right now I'm wearing my pajamas, by the way, of course. So the first pajama is this pajamas all day. बहुत प्यारा कलर है यार ये. And it has this nice yellow है ना, lemon yellow pant with a multicolor print, and it has a very प्यारा सा bow on the top. I think इसके अंदर एक और पजामा है. पजामा सेट है. It's in my favorite pajama colors. I love pajama sets which are pink, peach, or light colored ones. And yes, I love the lovable flamingo. Okay, wait. Very nice, very cute, and it has this very sweet. ये क्यों छोटा लग रहा है? दो बड़ा, दोनों M है. It has this very sweet flamingo, blue flamingo pants. I'm so excited to try these on. Our next product is home decor. It's not technically home decor, it's, you'll figure it out. I have ordered this white cloth. I was skeptical and I was wondering ये आपका कुछ फायदे का होगा क्या, but I just spoke to a friend and we thought these days many people are doing many creative things at their home, whether you're a blogger or not, whether you have a corporate job or not, and hence I thought of showing this white cloth that I ordered. You can use it for many things. You can use it as a backdrop for your shoots, for any specific photography that you're doing, or you can simply use it for any decor related stuff. I really like this. Reviews में मैंने सुना था ये कि बहुत ज़्यादा sheer और see through है. Of course it's still see through, but not as much as I expected it to be. So if you're buying a white cloth, you need one. Check the link below. And now it's another decor product, and this is a nice light bulb. These are different from the generic fairy lights. So you can see those fairy lights up behind me. The तार वाले जिसमें light लगे होते हैं. These are bigger bulbs, and I really wanted to check out how these turn out to be. So yeah, if you want to decorate your bedroom or give it a nice fancy look, buy this. And with that, we've finally reached the end of my Amazon haul. I hope you enjoyed both the videos, and I hope कुछ तो आपके काम आए and you end up purchasing something. If you want me to specifically review any of these products, please do mention in the comments down below. And अगर आपने इन सारे चीज़ों में से कुछ भी खरीदा, please do mention that as well. It will really mean a lot to me कि मेरे बोलने की वजह से या मेरे इस वीडियो की वजह से आपने कुछ खरीदा. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, प्लीज लाइक कर दो. अगर थोड़ा और ज्यादा अच्छा लगा हो, प्लीज किसी के साथ शेयर कर दो, और प्लीज 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 सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना, and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. This is Nisha Shetty signing off from this video. Once again, thank you so much for watching and keep smiling.